Is your throat hurting or do you have a cough right now? Do these exercises. So first, use your thumb acupress here between your collarbone. 1, 2, 3, 36. So second, use your thumbnail press here. 1, 2, 3. Also press 36 times, and then the other hand too. Third one, use your hand tapping here. 1, 2, 3, 36, and then the other arm too. 1, 2, 3, 36. Please do this whole set twice a day and avoid spicy food. Drink warm water. Or you could boil some white radish or Asian pears to drink.